My topic is ad hoc and sensor networks. Ad hoc network. An ad hoc network is a collection of two or more devices equipped with the wireless communication and networking capability. Such devices can communicate with another node that is immediately within their radio range or one out that is outside their radio range. An ad hoc wireless network is a self-organizing and adaptive. This means that formed network can be formed on the fly without the need for any system administration. The term ad hoc tends to imply can take different forms and can be mobile, standalone, or network. Ad hoc nodes or devices should be able to detect the presence of other such devices and to perform the necessary handshaking to allow communications and the sharing of information and services. Wireless ad hoc network. A wireless ad hoc network is a decentralized type of wireless network. That network is ad hoc because it does not rely on a pre-existing infrastructure such as routers in a wired networks or access point in managed wireless networks. Each node participates in routing by forwarding data for the other nodes, and so the determination of which nodes forward data is made dynamically based on the network connectivity. Mobile ad hoc networks MANET, self-configuring network of mobile routers connected by wireless links. This union forms a random topology. Routers move randomly free. Topology changes rapidly and unpredictably. Stand fashion or connected to the larger internet. While manets are self-contained, they can also be tied an IP-based global or local network hybrid manets. Sensor network. Wireless sensor networks have been identified as one of the most important technologies for the 21st century. Advances in hardware and wireless network technologies have created low cost, low power, multifunctional millimeter sensor devices. These networks are revolutionizing sensing in a wide range of applications. Ad hoc sensor networks. A collection of sensors nodes forming a temporary network in the absence of any stationary infrastructure. A group of sensors forms a cluster. Each cluster appoints a cluster head to manage its sensor. Sensor network architecture: three layers: service layer, data layer, physical layer. Service includes routing protocol, data dissemination, and data aggregation. Data layer models all the messages. Physical layer consists of nodes that are sinks, children nodes, cluster heads, and parents. Thank you.